Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a quick and easy tutorial for you on how to save an Excel worksheet as a PDF in landscape mode. So, let's get started. First thing first, open your Excel in your PC. Once you are in, now, open your Excel worksheet that you'd like to save as a PDF. In my case, I want to open this Excel file. So, I click on it. Once you are in, now, you will see multiple tabs at the top of the screen. From these, navigate to the Page Layout tab at the top of your screen. When you click on it, a new multiple options will appear at the top of the screen. After that, at the top of the screen, you will see an option that says Orientation. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. In the menu, click on the second option. That is Landscape. Now, after that, you will see the Print Titles option. So, click on the Print Titles button. When you click on it, a small format will appear. Now, you will see multiple tabs at the top. Click on the first tab. That is Page. After that, you will see two small options. From these, select the Landscape option. After that, in the Scaling section, click on the Fit to option. And you will see two boxes near to this. Type 1 on both of these. To ensure everything fits nicely on one page, click on Margins tab. When you click on the Margins tab, a new format will appear. Now, in the Center on Page section, select Horizontally option to adjust the margins. Notice how the margins change to accommodate the landscape format. Once you're happy with the settings, click on the OK. Now, let's save our worksheet as a PDF. Go to File tab. That is located at the top left corner of the screen. When you click on it, a multiple options will appear from the left side of the screen. In the options, select the Save As, and after that, click on the Browse. Now, choose the location where you'd like to save your PDF. In this example, we'll save it under Desktop. Now, click on it to open a drop-down menu. From the Save As Type drop-down menu, select PDF as the file format. Finally, click Save. And there you have it. You've successfully saved your Excel worksheet as a PDF in landscape mode. You can see my document. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.